For this look, I am using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Flash Drive, Holo Taco's Party of One Purple, Holo Taco's Indigo Away, Holo Taco's High Tea Hibiscus, DIY Spot It, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, Holo Taco's Quick Dry Base Coat, and a silicone circle that's technically a jar grip. We start off with our base coat for secure adhesion to the nail bed, followed by our base color. I'm using Party of One Purple here, and you might need multiple coats for full opacity. Then I'm layering on some shifty goodness in the form of Flash Drive. From here we start our nail decal. We're dropping colors onto that silicone circle. I'm using Party of One Purple, Indigo Away, and High Tea Hibiscus here before adding in our DIY Spot It polish. Then fold, fold, smush, magic. Look at those beautiful cells. Now I'm going to cover it with my quick dry top coat so that it makes it easier to peel, and let it dry completely before you start the process of peeling it up and off. I am using a cuticle pusher here with the bladed edge to get under it before peeling it up slowly and carefully with a pair of tweezers, making sure not to tear the decal at any point in time. I'm prepping my nail for receiving the decal with quick dry base coat before I trim that decal down to make a strip, doing my best for straight lines but not stressing it. And then finally applying it as close to the center as I can get in as straight a line as I can get, tapping it down lightly with my fingertip to flatten it to the nail. I'm going to trim off the excess, and then using a cleanup brush dipped in acetone, I'm melting the nail polish at either end to secure it down to my nail, and then carefully, without flooding it full of acetone, I'm tapping the edges to remove bubbles. Finally, we're going to cover it with a nice thick coat of Super Glossy Taco to seal this whole manicure in for long-lasting wear and shine. Voila! Enjoy!